So there are a lot of trains and metro in Japan, especially in Tokyo. So the Tokyo Metro is a major rapid transport system in Tokyo, Japan, operated by the Tokyo Metro. And it is not only the rapid transit but also highest ridership in Japan. So today we will inform you about this 15 things you need to know before using or riding in a metro or JR in Japan. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Before riding this, you have to know this. So here is the Tokyo Metro network. You see a lot of line crisscross here. So different colors here, mention different lines here. So we will inform you detail later. So you have to understand the map detail. So here you can see some legends here. So some color detail indicates some lines. Let's see orange color Ginza line, red color Marunouchi line. You can see other lines as well, different colors, different lines. So before riding a line, you have to understand those maps actually, those stations from where to where. So you can find this map in the station or in the Google map.
So here's the two type of machines. One is recharge of IC and Pasmo, and another one is purchase ticket, commuter pass and other things. So here is always available different language. You can enter English. See ticket, recharge, commuter. So if you want to purchase a ticket, you can purchase as per the amount and the station you will travel. You can buy a commuter pass, purchase new commuter pass, renew your commuter pass, a commuter pass reserved on internet, or change to IC commuter.
Operation cancelled.
So now I will show you how to recharge your IC card. So if you travel to Japan, you have to have IC card, and it will be wise if you have IC card and use frequently. You can recharge these cards in the vending machine. You can change the language and recharge as per the amount, 1000 to 10,000. So you have to put your card, insert cash, and do accordingly.
Please do not move the card. Recording ticket information. Please do.
You can take a receipt as well. So before riding a metro or train, you have to purchase ticket or pass or recharge your IC card. So here you can see I will buy a 24-hour metro ticket or one-day metro ticket pass. So you can purchase from it from any vending machine. So these are the 24-hour metro pass or one-day pass. You can buy from a station master. If you can't buy a vending machine, you can request station master or station officer, from where you can purchase a 24-hour metro pass or 24-hour ticket. You will find a different video. I will provide a link on this. You can find this detail. Here you can see a 24-hour metro ticket, through which you can avail those 9 lines actually. So these are my IC card, Pasmo, Suica or 24-hour ticket, through which I can avail easily metro or JR. So before riding a metro or JR, you have to know your platform. So you can easily see in this electronic signboard where you can know your platform, or you can inform from the Google Map through where you can ride. So these platforms are you see there are two-sided platform. So there are the platform numbers as well, one or two. So which platform you have to ride, you have to understand. So you will find this information in the station or in the Google Map. So you can see there are no wall available in some platform. So you have to stand behind the yellow line. Don't cross the yellow line because it is too much dangerous. And you have to maintain some rules and regulation in the platform. Some busiest platform you have to wait in the line and wait in front of the gate, and don't be rash. Let the inside passenger gate off first and then ride on. You have to maintain these rules and regulation. So rules are same for this where security gate or security wall is available in between platforms and metros. You see, this gate will open when the metro train stopped. In similar manner, you have to wait.
新松戸ご乗車ありがとうございます。
So you will also get free Wi-Fi facilities inside the car. So you have to browse, enter your email and easily access those Wi-Fi. These are the strong Wi-Fi. So you also get the information which station are in front, and you see some cars are only for women. These are women only. You also see the color of seat is different for women only car. You see, it's very much empty. So inside the car you will find electronic display where mentioned next station and how many times it will reach there. So you see, the stations are in front and how many times will require in between, and you also find the transfer information, which lines are available next station, so you can easily transfer those lines. So these are mentions in Japanese as well as in English language, so very much communicative and easy. You also find this information in Google Map as well as Tokyo Metro Guide. So in the electronic display you also find where are the exit gate, where are the elevator or staircase. You see, I am in the car number 6. So this door will not open. Opposite side of this door will open. So inside the car you are refrain from talking. You cannot talk. Only you can browse your mobile, listen music or keep quiet. You see a lot of people standing. So they keep their bag in front and keep quiet. Don't talk in mobile or anything.
南浦和お出口は右側です。
南浦和 南浦和お出口は右側です。
Please stand clear of the doors. 南浦和南浦和お出口は右側です。 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 南浦和南浦和お出口は右側です。
南浦和南浦和お出口は右側です。 武蔵野線はお乗り換えです。The next station is 南浦和 JK42. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the Musashino line.
So getting up from the train, you will find staircase, elevator, lift, and so option. So in the moving staircase, you have to keep yourself left, or you can walk if you are right side. So there are a lot of symbols, signs in the platform and station. You have to understand these all symbols because in some station there might not have written in English, but you have understand these symbols. So these are the common symbols that will be used in different station in Japan. You have to pass electronic gate, punch your IC card or insert ticket. And you'll get exit information in details.
Central gate.
So exit and transfer information. So you have to understand in which gate you should use for exit. There are a lot of gates for exit. So read carefully and use the proper gate. You can also see the maps, the Google Map, or read it here and maintain the maps. And the map right side, you also see which exit you should use. You can easily find in the map. So there might be transfer information as well, through which you can transfer other lines, Shinkansen lines, and so on. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel if you don't. And check the playlist, you'll find other video related transportation as well. Thank you for watching.